This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Nintendo Switch account password. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Nintendo account website. Once there, look for and click on the Forgot Your Password link. You'll then be prompted to enter either the email address or the user ID linked to your Nintendo account. This is the crucial first step to regaining access, ensuring you're on the right path to a secure login. After submitting your account details, the next step is to check your email. Nintendo will send a password reset email to the address you provided. This email will contain a unique 6-digit verification code that is essential for the next stage of the process. If you don't see it in your primary inbox within a few minutes, remember to check your spam or junk folders, as it might have been filtered there by mistake. This code is time-sensitive, so act quickly. Once you have your 6-digit verification code, go back to the Nintendo account website. Carefully enter the code into the provided field to verify your identity. Following this, you'll be able to create a brand new password. Make sure it's strong, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. You'll then need to type this new password a second time to confirm it, ensuring there are no typos before proceeding. Congratulations! Your Nintendo account password has now been successfully reset. You can now confidently log into your account using the new password you just created. Remember to keep this password secure and avoid sharing it with anyone. For an extra layer of protection, we highly recommend enabling two-step verification on your Nintendo account. This simple step adds significant security, helping to keep your gaming experience safe and sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.